running.
Okay, so here we go. So we're at another day of hydrotilling. And I see other people say, oh yeah, this is how you coil up pressure washer hoses and stuff like that. That is not how you coil up a pressure washer hose. Let me show you how. We got 4 of them to choose from, okay? So this is how you do it. So you coil it. You don't need to step on or anything like that. You coil it, and then you countercoil it. You see? Coil, countercoil. Coil, and you can go inside out, and it's that simple. Now we're gonna start speeding up the process a little bit, okay? Guess I did have to step on that one, huh? But you see, it's a countercoil. And you just snap them. And if you want to straighten it, use your foot. You don't let the kink bother you. If it does, you countercoil it.
You're so much smaller in the picture.
I know, I'm a very small man.
Well, it's just that you're farther away.
And boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. Have a great day.